If you're looking to elevate your home theater experience or simply want a versatile, all-in-one projector that delivers both exceptional picture and sound quality, then the HAPPRUN 1500 ANSI 4K Full HD projector is definitely worth considering. With a wide range of intelligent features packed into a sleek and portable design, this projector redefines what you can expect from an at-home or outdoor cinema experience. Let's start with the display performance, arguably the most important aspect of any projector. The HAPPRUN projector boasts an impressive 1500 ANSI lumens of brightness and full support for 4K resolution. This means you're not just getting clear images, you're getting vivid, rich, and sharp visuals that maintain clarity even in daylight or brighter environments. The 20,000:1 contrast ratio, combined with 95% color gamut coverage, ensures deep blacks, balanced highlights, and realistic colors. Whether you're watching action-packed movies, vibrant animations, or cinematic dramas, every frame comes to life. Now, one of the standout features that really sets this projector apart from others in its class is the AI Smart Screen Adjustment System. With advanced autofocus and 6D auto Keystone correction, the HAPPRUN can automatically correct your screen alignment and bring the image into sharp focus in just 5 seconds. It even includes auto obstacle avoidance and auto screen alignment, which means you can place it on a table, mount it on a ceiling, or even put it on your bedside, and it will still adjust itself perfectly. No more fiddling with manual settings or spending time trying to get that perfect rectangle. But what good is a high-quality image without immersive sound? Thankfully, the HAPPRUN projector doesn't cut corners. It features a built-in 8-watt HiFi speaker that produces clear, rich sound. Whether you're watching a blockbuster film or listening to music, the audio feels full and satisfying. Even better, the projector comes with bidirectional Bluetooth 5.2, so you can either connect your favorite Bluetooth speakers for an upgraded audio experience, or use the projector itself as a Bluetooth speaker and stream music directly from your smartphone. It's a smart, dual-purpose design that adds incredible value. In terms of connectivity, the HAPPRUN projector covers all the bases. It includes dual HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, AV input, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, giving you the flexibility to connect everything from TV sticks, Chromecast, and Roku devices to gaming consoles like the PS5, PCs, laptops, and smartphones. The wireless connectivity is also next level, thanks to Wi-Fi 6 compatibility, which allows for super-fast and stable wireless screen mirroring. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, streaming is smooth and lag-free, even with high-resolution content. The 300-inch display capacity is perfect for any setup, whether you're using it in your living room, backyard, or for a yoga class or birthday party. Plus, it has a 50% zoom function, allowing you to adjust screen size without moving the projector. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and thoughtful features like LED night lights, autofocus, and a quiet cooling system make it incredibly user-friendly. And when it comes to peace of mind, HAPPRUN truly delivers. You get a 2-year money-back guarantee, 3-year warranty, lifetime tech support, and 24/7 customer service. It's clear they've designed this projector not just as a product, but as a long-term solution for your entertainment needs. Of course, it's important to note that due to content restrictions, streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and Hulu will require an external device like a TV stick or Chromecast to work properly. But once set up, the viewing experience is top tier. All things considered, the HAPPRUN 1500 ANSI 4K Full HD projector is a powerful and feature-rich choice for anyone who loves movies, gaming, or even business presentations. It combines top-notch image quality, immersive sound, user-friendly design, and reliable performance, all in a compact, portable package. Whether you're setting up a full-blown home theater or planning an outdoor movie night under the stars, this projector will meet and exceed your expectations.